All right, so if you guys are using Excel, the quick and easy shortcut is to just make a copy of the worksheets and then we just fill in the rest of the information. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and click my trial balance 4 because that was the last thing I've done with all the accounts that I've created. All right, nothing new happened. So I'm going to go ahead and make a copy. All right, move or make a copy. So then it's going to give you this window here, this one, because I am currently in my Coffee Cafe financial statements. I want to make a copy of it. And I'm going to place it right above my unadjusted trial balance. All right, and I'm going to click OK. What's going to happen is going to make an exact duplicate of this file right here. Okay, so my trial balance 4 and my trial balance 4/2 is here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy this right here where it says unadjusted trial balance. And I'm going to go ahead and go into my trial balance number 4, page 2 or second copy. And I'm going to go ahead and place it in like that. All right. You should also do the same thing with the date as well, just so then you keep yourself organized. All right. Trial balance number 2. Okay, I guess I didn't copy it correctly. There you go. It still didn't go. What is going on? All right, well, I'm just going to go ahead and just fix it in here so I don't have to waste more time. So 6:30, right? We're going to do our ending trial balance. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to ignore this page. It's still there, but I'm going to also indicate that this is a new trial balance. So I'm going to go ahead and write ADJ1. Okay? So there's my unadjusted trial balance. I've carried over all my values so then I don't have to redo it again, and my formula still stays intact. So that means I still have a calculation in here. But this time it's going to be, let me go ahead and undo that. It's not a trial balance 5. This is the actual unadjustment because this is the end of the month. And we're about to prepare our we're about to prepare our financial statements. So first thing we're going to do is to do the end of the month unadjusted trial balance. All right, so with that being said, here I have all my accounts. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over everything with my general ledger. So what is my total amount in my checking account? 11,190.60, which I forgot. We also need to make sure that you do your cash deposits, okay, before the end of the day. All right. So we'll go ahead and just continue. So what about petty cash? Petty cash, we didn't make any changes to it. Same thing with the check, with the cash in the register. Okay. What about our accounts receivable? Yes, we did make a change there. And how much is it now? 1531.95. Okay, good. What about our business supplies? Yes, I think we did make adjustments to our to our coffee cups. How much do we have now? Good. What about our large coffee cups? 568.33. Good. Oh, 568. What did I put? 568.33. Okay, good. All right. What about our sugar? Oh, I guess we didn't change it? Okay. What about our coffee creamer? It has stayed the same. Okay. So what about our office supplies? That should have also stayed the same. Go ahead.
Oh, goodness. I was looking. I thought I saw 568.
Okay. All right. Nothing has changed there. Our office supplies. Did we make any adjustments to office supplies yet? No, it's the same. All right. So next is inventory. Of course, we made adjustment to our regular coffee. So what is my total amount for my regular coffee? 6111. Okay. And what about my supreme coffee? 180.97. Okay. And then what about my furniture? No change in furniture. No change to my bistro tables. Okay. Same thing with the counter and desk sets and shelves. They all stay the same. We will do an adjustment tomorrow. Okay. And then what about my office equipment? What about my computer? That's all changed. The printer's changed. The cash register has not changed. Stayed all the same. And then my equipment, same thing. They've all been the same. We updated it to 450347. Yes, we did. 42. Good. And our coffee brewer is still 414454. Good. All right. Same thing for the vehicles. The truck is still 32,208.90. Okay. The good, I'm sorry, say that again. What was this? Prepaid? Good. That's fine. Nope, it's the same. Same thing with my deposits. It's still 1,700, and my goodwill did not change either, as well as my miscellaneous expense, which I don't have anything. So all of those are all the same. So see, this does save you a lot of time when you transfer. Just make a copy of the stuff because all of these accounts have not changed. So there's really no point to have to type it all up again or do your copy and paste because they're all the same. All right. So next thing what we have is our accounts payable. Yes, that has changed. So let's see what is our total accounts payable. Okay, so here we are by June 30th. What is my total amount in my accounts payable? 11,190.60. Okay. And then my Visa payable is also something that I've also. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm on the wrong one. Oh, here I am. So that means that's the wrong number. So my total accounts payable is going to be 45. Oh, let me move my window over. Come on. There you go. So this is accounts payable. 4,534.70. Okay. Did I accidentally make a change somewhere here? Okay. So then, what is my Visa payable? $1,885.89. Okay. What about my payroll tax liabilities? Did any of those change? Nothing's changed here. So my all of that should stay the same. Because I only did payroll on the 28th, so all of this should stay all the same. Right? including my truck loan, should stay the same. Now, the only thing that was different was my sales tax payable, and how much was that for my sales tax payable. So let me find it real quick. Okay, here's my, did I miss it? Yes, I did. Here's my sales tax payable. How much is my sales tax payable? 2046.11. Okay, 2046.11. All right, my payroll liabilities did not change, and so did my loan did not change. Did my owner's equity change? No. What about my owner's withdrawal? No. So I don't need to go look at that. But my sales for sure has definitely changed. So let me go ahead and pull up my revenues. All right, and let's start with our sales for regular coffee. Where are we? Oh, okay, yes. There you go. So it's 96. So 1394.96. Good. 1394.96. Okay. What about our sales for Supreme Coffee? Okay, and then my sales for ceramic coffee mugs. 1763.91. Okay, and then what about my sales medium regular coffee? 5221.76. All right. What about my large regular coffee? 6503.25. 6503.25. Okay. And then what about my medium supreme coffee? Wait, let me make sure that's the last one. There you go, that's the last one. 665577 for my medium supreme coffee. 665577. Okay. And then what about my sales for large large supreme coffee? 752444. Okay. And then what about my sales returns and allowances? Did that change? It's the same. Okay. What about my sales discount? I did make some extra sales discounts. So what is that for? 1979. Okay. And then lastly, my delivery income. Has that changed? Yes, now it's 300. All right. Now we're going to go to our cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Here we have, oh, wrong one. Cost of goods sold. We have our cost of goods sold for regular coffee. 1367.39. Okay, 1367.39. Okay, and then my cost of goods sold for Supreme Coffee. 41. Okay. Okay. So 1441.28. Okay, what about, that's it for that one. So now it's my operating expenses. Now, operating expenses. So, first things first, did my advertising expense change?
No.
No. What about my business? No.
Freight.
Freight.
There's a change here. 500.
Right? It went.
Wait, I thought there was a change.
I guess there isn't, so we only have 500. Okay. So then what about labor expense?
The same.
The same. Subcontractor and temporary is the same.
Same.
Okay, so next is license and business permit, loss on disposal of asset, payroll expenses. Those should all stay the same, including your purchase expense.
Oh, there's a difference here.
Is there a difference in the purchase expense? Let me find it. Payroll tax expenses. Purchase expense is right here. Is there a change in the purchase expense? 1092.20. Okay, no, it's the same. All right. And then purchase returns and allowance is the same for 22.
Yeah, but that's the same.
Mm-hmm. And then rent should be the same. So therefore, did I match on both sides?
No.
Okay, so I think I messed up when I was talking about that one thing.
That's okay.
So I'm off by 2,506. So I typed something in here. I forgot where I put it. Okay. So I'm off by $2,595.
Let's see another category.
Yeah. So because we found a discrepancy, right? What do you got to do? You got to go back and make sure you check all of them all over again. It might be, what was the last thing I touched on here? I think I accidentally tapped something here.
Prepaid account?
Prepaid accounts should be the same.
Help, guys. There we go. Equipment change handled by the sales. Change.
Hmm.
How about the accounts payable?
I'm thinking that too. Was it my accounts payable that I messed up on? Let's see, accounts payable. All right, I got my accounts payable as 54.
45, 34, 70, the same.
Okay, and then my Visa payable.
15, 85, 59. Okay. Sales tax.
Lynn,
Yes.
what is the total? It's 98,691,09. I got it correct, both sides. Can you
Okay,
check from the beginning?
so you got 96,185.11?
1 minute. Yeah, it's 98,691 cents 09.
Okay, so tell me what debits am I off on then? So let's start
We'll
with,
go from the beginning.
okay, so
It's
here, cash,
30. Check-in should be 13,696.58.
Oh, okay.
1396. Let me see.
No, 13,696.58.
Something was not deposited then. Remember you mentioned about that a while ago?
Because
Well, I know that last Thursday, her ledger or whatever got messed up.
Mm-hmm.
Something was off, so maybe that could be the reason why.
Oh, I didn't record. I didn't
Which one is
record the
at the bottom
sales.
here?
All right, so 6:30. All right, I had sales.
2505.
All right, so general journal number I believe was 21. What was my amount for?
2505.
2505.
Cent 98.
98. Okay, and guess what? That's probably it right there.
Then it
So
should be correct.
yes, so now I should be 13,696.58. So therefore, my stuff should balance 100% with 61909. So I didn't place in my checking right here, so that's one thing I didn't do. So there you go. Thanks for finding it out. Okay, and we completed our trial balance. That means this unadjusted trial balance is complete. So that means tomorrow we're gonna start doing our adjustment entries, and once we do that, then we roll on down into our financial statements. So, good job everybody today. So, for any other questions in regards to anything else,
So, when the roll call was done, my mic was not working, so I logged from the phone. That's
oh,
why.
don't worry. I already count. I know I already counted that you were here. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Okay.